Alright, let's make another video. Show you what I added to my Iguana setup. Got the little gauge here to show you read the temperature and the humidity in there. It's down in here. I'm hanging right there. Yeah, well, also, as you can see, I put some foil on here. I covered up half the tank, or half the lid, half the top. Keep the humidity in there, the heat as well. And I also added a humidifier to add some humidity to the tank. I'm gonna turn this on. Works pretty good, huh? I also put this on the foil, aluminum foil on top. Keep it inside the tank a little more, so it won't escape so fast. There you go.